These are my teenage journals. I'm gonna read some of these out to you. 5 में से 4 entries start with I hate my life. Advantages my parents will enjoy if I disappear. They will have normal blood pressure. They will not be ashamed of me. Why am I crying? I'm on my period. I have no friends and it's not like I care. Anybody who has anything to say about a teenager's looks is miserable. And by the end of this video, you are going to have enough proof that change is not a bad thing. In fact, it is the best thing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Mihika and I'm 22 years old. जिसका मतलब है कि मेरे को 2 या 3 साल हो चुके हैं टीनेजर ना होते हुए. So I have had some time to reflect. Now, इस वीडियो के शुरू होने से पहले I just want to tell you something. If you're a teenager watching this, please understand that whatever you are like now is no proof whatsoever of what you are going to be like in the future. You are not going to stay the same and it's going to be a good change because there is hope for everyone. If I right now am sitting in front of you like a well-rounded insan who is mentally sometimes stable, self-independent and self-sufficient, and there is going to be enough proof in this video. मैं बहुत proof देने वाली हूँ. How you ask? Proof कहाँ से आया मीगा? These are my teenage journals. Even though मेरी बातें भी enough proof हैं, but मेरे पास ये भी है because मैंने एक भी मौका नहीं छोड़ा है अपनी भड़ास निकालने का in my teenage years. So I'm gonna read some of these out to you, and by the end of this video, you are going to have enough proof that change is not a bad thing. In fact, it is the best thing. इससे पहले कि मैं पढ़ूँ कुछ, मैं बताती हूँ कि how I was like as a teenager. I was someone who was an ambitious teenager with an underconfident personality and a lazy mindset in a body that I was constantly trying to change because I was overweight. So imagine like a 13-year-old, a 14-year-old always wanting to lose weight, like that thought being in the back of your mind. That was me as a teenager. And ये journal entries में मैंने अपने बारे में इतनी अच्छी तरीके से बातें करी हैं कि आप समझ जाओगे कि however someone treats you is the same way they treat themselves. So I have made a rule book. ठीक है, पढ़ती हूँ मैं इसको. Be as strict and disciplined as I can be. Be responsible. Quit being dumb. Change my attitude as much as I can. No shopping. Don't forgive anyone easily and never forget. Be stone cold from now on. Enough of silliness. Enough of being called immature, irresponsible or dumb. Prove yourself as much as you can. Set a good example for Midhansh, younger brother, and make him respect you. Make him! Then, I think I was 15 years old here. A journal entry जिसका topic है Advantages my parents will enjoy if I disappear. They will save money they invest in me for my dance class, school fee, tuition fee, my wishes and my day-to-day requirements I have for clothes. They will have normal blood. They will have normal blood pressure and they will be healthy. As the amount of energy and hard work they do for me will be saved. Their day will start off well and end well. They will not be ashamed of me at my PTMs. They will live happily. They will live happily with their son and be proud of him. Why am I crying? I'm on my period. The burden of me always being on their shoulders will lighten. They will be free. They will live freely as no one would be there to question them and interfere in their matters. They will be content as anyone would no longer be responsible for my tantrums, complaints and problems. They will always live happily ever after. But are you seeing this? ये मतलब मेरे को यहाँ पे ना फ्रेश डांट पड़ी होगी एंड मैंने ये सब रूल्स बना दिए भाई, एडवांटेजेस लिख दिए इफ आई डिसअपियर. सो एज अ टीनेजर आवर इमोशंस आर एट एन ऑल टाइम हाई बिकॉज देयर आर सो मेनी चेंजेस ऑल्सो हैपनिंग इन आवर बॉडी. तो हम थोड़े ऐसे होते हैं. देन नंबर 2, आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू एन इनसाइट इनटू एवरी प्रॉब्लम अ टीनेजर गोज थ्रू. जस्ट रीडिंग अ पार्ट ऑफ द डायरी एंट्री. आई हैव वेरी लेस फ्रेंड्स, नो वन लाइक्स मी एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक आई केयर, बट इट इज so disturbing at the back of my mind. I am as usual / still fat. I have gained inches, lost grades and whatnot. I have no friends in my society and today is Republic Day and this will be the plan of my day while my friends from my other society will enjoy themselves. I will get up, watch the parade, study, lunch, study, dinner with people I don't even know. I'll keep smiling so that no one hates me when I judge them. Come back, study, sleep. End of Republic Day. Woohoo! Star में लिखा है fake enthusiasm. I cannot defend this. इसमें मतलब like 5 में से 4 एंट्री स्टार्ट विद I hate my life. Full stop. Then फिर मैं अपना explanation देती हूँ कि आज why I hate my life. Now what we learned from this is number 1, journaling is a good way to let out your emotions. So do journal. Okay. Number 2, when you journal or even think over some things, please don't talk to yourself in a way that is so disrespectful to your own self. I am now comfortably being able to talk about this on camera because I am way past this. I am literally a different person. And जब मैं ये सब पढ़ रही हूँ, I remember how I was as a teenager. I used to be someone who used to judge. And इसमें बहुत जगह diary entries में I've also written कि you know I need to stop judging so much and I need to correct this and stuff like that. So I was self-aware. But you see, this is why so many people don't realize that you judge people so much because you judge yourself so much more. So if you're a teenager, please stop judging yourself this much. Give yourself a little bit space and kindness to just be. Try being nicer to yourself and you will automatically see nice things happening around you. Trust me, this happens. Like अगर मेरा वो नहीं देखा, there's this how a glow up changed my life वाला video है. It's one of the best sit downs I've ever made and उसमें मैंने कहा था, I've talked about कि I could not even take a compliment, let alone giving one. That was how insecure I was because I wanted to do so much, and just because I was underconfident and I did not just accept myself in that phase, I was so frustrated with everything in my life. So if you had to do something differently, please don't put pressure on yourself to keep changing all the damn time. Just try making a simple change, a simple move of getting out of your comfort zone, like be it going up to a teacher and asking for work or asking if you can participate in a school activity. If you always want to do that, do something like that so that it gives you a little push, a little bit of confidence so that you feel good about yourself. Now I want to come to a good journal entry for once. So I was thinking, being on my phone all the time, daydreaming about the things that I want to accomplish, lazing around all day, not being productive, hasn't really gotten me anything. There are so many things I want to do, so much I want to experience, but that's the thing with me. I'm good at making up scenarios in my head while sitting on my bed all day, but not actually doing anything to actually take steps towards doing something. The question that nags me is, where do I start? There is no limit of human wants. There is no limit of human wants while there is an acute shortage of human doers, and I want to be a doer. I am not saying being a dreamer is not healthy, but being just a dreamer and not moving an inch towards your goal sure is unhealthy. Now this is an entry from December of 2020 when I was, I think, 16 or 17 years old. And 2021 was the year I changed everything about my life. 2021 was the year I came closer to this version of me. I filled myself with so much love that I had love to give. I had room to take compliments and give compliments. Then the next page is manifestation. I have written affirmations जितनी मेरे को उस टाइम पे समझ थी उस हिसाब से I have written believe in what you want, believe you can have it, believe you already have it, visualize and write it, think positive, don't shoo away negative thoughts, catch them and turn them into positive thoughts. I am just impressing myself with this. Trust the process, forget about the how. Speak positively, let go of your thoughts, be free from desperation. The universe will cater to us. Again, don't doubt yourself, the goal or the process. And this, my friends, is exactly how I changed everything about how I feel, how I talk, how I dress, how I moved in life in general. And if you're a teenager watching this, every affirmation I just read out to you, if you start saying this to yourself every single day of the year, you will not be able to recognize yourself. Trust me. Now, one thing I wish someone had told me, the cool kids, cool group you want to be a part of right now, trust me, they're not that cool. If instead of all the time you spend wanting to be their friend or wanting to be like them, you focus on becoming cool yourself, those cool kids will come running after you, because that's what happened. That is what happened, my friends. Because तब आपको 2 rupees का भी फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, because you will realize what actually is cool. Holding on to those 3-4 great friends is cool. Like parties and all is not just the definition of cool, because उस time पे तो हमें ऐसा लगता था, but ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. And I don't have anything against the party goers and the doers. Party all you want, but for the people who think so and are like have that desperate energy, calm down, sister. What's cool is being a decent, respectful human being who has hobbies, is responsible in their studies. Looks. I receive a lot of messages from teenage girls on a daily basis who are very insecure about their looks, their facial hair, their weight, and some get bullied because of it. Anybody who has anything to say about a teenager's looks is miserable in their own life. Be it a grown adult, an auntie, a relative of any shape, size, gender or form is miserable in their own life कि उन्हें ये ज़रूरत पड़ रही है एक बच्चे के looks पे कमेंट करने की. अगर उन्हें ज़रूरत पड़ रही है तो you have every right to literally not listen to them. And you know what? I am all about respecting people, but अब तो I give it back. Like even if it is about somebody else, I shut it down वहीं पे. So पता है what the fact is? You will go on to become hotter and like the best version of yourself, and these people will remain the same. And that is a fact. So just be in the moment, enjoy your school life, college life, tuitions, I don't know what's happening. Just enjoy as much as you can in the small pockets that you get for yourself, except for studies and stuff. Just be in the moment, have good food, talk to yourself nicely, please learn from me, okay? Do not be like me, and I think you'll be good. And take no shit from anybody if you are not causing anybody harm, and just be yourself, because there is only one you. Do not, I repeat, do not wish to be somebody else. Not even me, not even anybody you see on Instagram, YouTube, whatever. And I hope this video helped you. I hope my journal entries, the only reason I read them out to you is because so many people feel like this. So this is proof that I was in the pits of feeling exactly like this. So if it made you feel seen or it made you feel a bit less alone, I think it's worth it. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. डाल दी मैंने थर्सडे को वीडियो.